Hey guys, what's going on? This is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube about free traffic for affiliate marketing in 2020. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to actually look at the ways how to get free traffic, but more importantly, what not to do when it comes to free traffic. So when it comes to free traffic, we gotta understand what exactly it is, so you're basically getting traffic or basically viewers to your website without paying for it, right? So it's basically organic, natural traffic to your website. And the secret behind that is that you gotta understand why these people are going to sites like this, why they are interested in even looking at your page. And it is because of one simple reason, and that is information. All people that are going on internet are looking for information, and so when they are visiting your information, they are expecting that information, whatever information you promise them to deliver, or that you basically just talked about, or whatever else it is. The information that they are seeking for should be solving their issue, their problem. Now, most of the people that I see in the beginnings, and me included, I'm no exclusion from this, we beginners in affiliate marketing, we tend to take affiliate marketing or free traffic, especially for granted, and we are just hoping for a sale here and there, and we tend to think that just splashing our link everywhere, that's gonna get us the traffic that we want. Now in reality, this never works, and you might get maybe here and there a sale. I'm not saying it is impossible, but it is very unlikely to get sales like this, and if you do, it's literally just a luck, and it's nothing scalable, and it's nothing that you should you could build anything on. Now the secret behind the free traffic is you gotta provide valuable information to people, because people on the internet, and it doesn't really matter what kind of a traffic source you are using, it can be YouTube channel, it can be Instagram, it can be other social medias, it can be your blog, it can be, I don't know, Google, all of this stuff. The idea that we are talking about here is basically the same, whatever traffic source you are going to use. When it comes to free traffic, you gotta provide information, be helpful to these people. Think about what it is that they are seeking, what kind of information they are seeking, and provide them valuable information for free. Don't charge them before you give them that information. Otherwise, they just not even gonna opt into your mailing list, and they are not even gonna definitely they are not gonna buy anything from you. So when it comes to free traffic, and the offer that you are maybe telling them that you are going to offer, it might be you can be in a make money online niche, right? For example, that's where I am in affiliate marketing, and you might be you might be doing, I don't know, maybe social media stuff, on Facebook, in Facebook groups and all of this stuff. And, you might be offering, here is a great way how to, make money online. Somebody searching how to make money online, and you have the opportunity to recommend him or her something. Now, if you are going to send them straight to your affiliate page, to the sales page, they're not gonna buy, because first of all, they don't know you, you're a complete stranger to them, and they are not looking for a course, or they are not looking for anything to buy. They are seeking information. So when it comes to the information, somebody might ask, like, let's say, how to make money online with affiliate marketing, right? So they are looking for specific ideas how to do this. So what you need to do is provide them valuable information. That means actual ways how to make money, not offer them a course that is going to teach them something. Offer them valuable information straight away without asking them for payments. I see these guys lots and lots of stuff, especially on Facebook. All of these, make money online groups and, affiliate marketing groups, and it doesn't really matter what kind of groups, but basically in general, make money online. All people are just, spamming and, sending people straight to the affiliate pages, to the sales pages. And, why, just imagine you would be a person who gets message or comment like this, that a link to the sales page. Would you buy this thing from that particular person? Even though the product would be good, you would probably look for that product somewhere else and buy it separately, not even bother giving that person a commission, just because he never provided you anything valuable. So you don't even want to give him or her a commission, right? So when it comes to free traffic, you gotta understand this, provide value to people, and be helpful. Don't expect payment first. Give value first, then give value again and again, and that's how you build something called a relationship between you and your potential customer. So when it comes to sales in general, people buy when they know, like, and trust you, and that's how you get successful in affiliate marketing. You gotta build this three pillar successful idea, and that's that's literally a relationship between you and your potential customer, that they know you, they like you, and they trust you, that you are providing them valuable information, and whatever you're recommending them is gonna 100% work. So this is the biggest mistake that I see by affiliate marketers do, especially in the beginnings, and I know it by myself. I did the same. So listen guys, don't do anything like this. Create a valuable series for your clients, for your potential customers. Provide value when it comes to free traffic, and be helpful, literally give them help, be helpful to them. So this is the biggest mistake. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get lots of value from it. And listen, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to get more information about the topics that we just spoke about, how to provide value to the customer, how to build the relationship between you and your potential customer, that they literally buy anything from you, it doesn't really matter what you're providing them, they are gonna buy anything just because it's you who is recommending it. If you want something like this, then I highly recommend you to click the link below. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series about affiliate marketing. And every day you will get new information about affiliate marketing, how to provide valuable information to people, what kind of strategies to implement into your business, and how to build the relationship that we just spoke about. So go ahead, sign up. It's completely free. You get full access to it, no questions asked. So go ahead and get access to it. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.